Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious soufflé de mais. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of whole kernel corn, 1 can of creamed corn, 4 large eggs, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Also, have 1/4 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of melted butter ready. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 2-quart baking dish. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your whole kernel corn, creamed corn, sugar, all-purpose flour, milk, and eggs. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until they are well combined and smooth. It's important to ensure there are no lumps of flour in your mixture for a consistent texture. Finally, stir in your melted butter, making sure it's fully integrated into the base. With your base ready, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the prepared corn mixture into your greased 2-quart baking dish. Place it in your preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 55 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, allow the soufflé to cool for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Your delicious corn soufflé is ready. For the best flavor and texture, serve it warm straight from the oven. If you have any leftovers, they can be refrigerated for up to 5 days, making it a great make-ahead dish. For an effortless clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Reheat any remaining soufflé gently in the oven or microwave for a quick and tasty meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.